Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable autoplay videos on cellular on X, Twitter, on PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Twitter account on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings. Now, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages from the Settings menu. This will open up a new section where you can customize your Twitter experience. Click on Data Usage from the list of options. This will bring you to a page where you can manage how data is used on your account. Scroll down until you see the Autoplay option. Click on it, and then choose On Cellular. This will enable autoplay videos to play automatically when you're using your cellular data. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled autoplay videos on cellular on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enjoy watching your favorite videos without having to manually play each one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.